Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to work with advanced inventory features and reports in Odoo. First, we will create a product, configure a reordering rule and a purchase route, receive inventory using a two-step receipt process, transfer products between locations, and finally check inventory reports and stock movements. First, open the inventory module and go to Configuration and select Settings. Here we enable storage locations and multi-step routes. Storage locations allow us to manage different warehouse locations, while multi-step routes allow us to configure multi-step receipts and deliveries. In our case, both storage locations and multi-step routes are already enabled. Then let's create a new product. Create a product named Laptop. I select the product type as Goods. Set the sales price to 2,500 AED and the cost to 2,000 AED. I also enable inventory tracking and save the product. Now, the laptop product is ready to be managed in inventory. Then go to the reordering rules section. Here, set the minimum quantity to 5 and the maximum quantity to 20. This rule helps us identify when the stock level becomes low and replenishment may be required. Then I save the rule. Next, I will check the by route configuration. Go to Configuration and click Routes. The buy route allows the product to be replenished through purchasing from a vendor. I configure the buy route for the laptop and save it. Now I will configure a two-step receipt process. Go to Warehouses. In the warehouse configuration, we can manage both incoming and outgoing shipments. Incoming shipments handle products coming from vendors into the warehouse, while outgoing shipments handle products going from the warehouse to the customer. For incoming shipments, I am using a two-step receipt process. The products are received into the input location and then transferred to the main stock location. I save the configuration. Now the incoming receipt workflow will be vendor to WH/input and then WH/input to WH/stock. Next, I will receive 20 laptops from the vendor. I open the receipt and create a vendor named ABC Electronics. The product is laptop, and the quantity is 20. Since we are using a two-step receipt, the destination is WH/input. I validate the receipt. Now the 20 laptops have been received into the WH/input location. Next, I will move the received products from WH/input to WH/stock. I open the internal transfer. The source location is WH/input, and the destination is WH/stock, with a quantity of 20 laptops. I validate the transfer. Now the 20 laptops are available in the main stock location. Next, I will create a new internal location called Shelf 1. Now, Shelf 1 is available under the WH/stock location. I save the location. Now I will transfer 5 laptops from WH/stock to Shelf 1. I create an internal transfer. The source location is WH/stock, and the destination is WH/stock, Shelf 1. Now let's check the current stock using the stock report. Go to Reporting and click Stock. Here we can check the on-hand quantity, free-to-use quantity, unit cost, and total value. In our example, the report shows 20 laptops on hand, with a unit cost of 2,000 AED and a total value of 40,000 AED. This report helps us understand the current inventory position. Next, I will check the moves history. Go to Reporting and click Moves History. Here we can see the different stock movements related to the laptop. We can track movements such as vendor to WH/input, WH/input to WH/stock, and WH/stock to Shelf 1. This helps us track where the products have moved and verify that the operations are completed. Next, I will open Moves Analysis from the reporting menu. This report helps us analyze inventory movements and review the movement data in Odoo. Next, I will open the laptop product and click on the on-hand quantity. From the detailed stock view, I select the History option for Shelf 1. Here we can see that the status is done. This confirms that the internal transfer was completed successfully. So, in this video we created a laptop product, configured a reordering rule and a purchase route, received inventory using a two-step receipt process, transferred products between warehouse locations, and reviewed different inventory reports and movement histories. Thank you for watching.